Hello, my dear ones. I'm back again with another mystery sound challenge. Well, today's mystery sound is a little bit tricky. Why is that so? You'll find out soon. Let's check. We have some flashcards in it, so let's see what's there. What is this? It's a cup. I hope you got the beginning sound. Let's see the next one first. What is this? It's a kite. You got a little bit confused? No? Maybe let's see the next one. What is this? It's a lock. Now you really got confused, right? Well, if you see, these two has the same beginning sound, that is k, but the beginning letter is different. But what about this? Well, this has the same ending sound, which is lock, lock. We know that C makes k sound and K also makes k sound. But when they come together, they both also make the same sound, that is k. But we get confused when to use which one. Well, if you want your child to clear that confusion, then you have to enroll for my classes, which I do online and offline both. Details are in the caption below. See you in my next video. Bye bye.